pages. Yes. All right, congratulations! Wow! So, I'd like to ask our president, what is your message to our new ambassador of Purple?
Anything else? Mayong hapon sa tanan, our visitors, our staff, and everyone around, especially to our guests nga newly signed endorser officially of Purple Yam, Brother Kumar, and his partner Joyce. Ayan, mayong utos na, hapon na dihay, mayong hapon sa tanan. So, I'm very thankful kay finally, nag-meet na yun me officially kay wala may sukad nagkita first time na ako nagkita, yet dili na siya mag-o sa ato, right? Kay imagine how famous this person has become, from engagements to followers. He really earned the reputation being Derek Kumar himself. So, isang pakpak naman dyan. Kay dili tanang nanimpalad sa pag-vlog are doing what they are doing now. So, kakaiba dyan sila. So, there's something special about them. Not just their engagements, but the contents they are making. So, muna usa sa mga reasons why Purple Yam been trying to have them as our brand ambassadors, because we can see sa ilaha unsa ang values that we are bringing sa atoang brand. Good vibes, so present jud kay na sa ilaha, and the very witty contents nga wala agad sila naggamit og is most especially nowadays nga uso kayo ang gambling koan kanang endorsements. So I'm very happy and proud nga mga endorsers of Purple Yam wala gitaw na sila nag-endorse o gambling. So it's deserve na pakpakan. Kay dili lalim ang pag-vlog karon nga dili ta mo gamit ana kay source of income ang guna ang pag endorse o gambling, yet